Most people don't fail at coding because it's hard. They fail because they start wrong. Too many languages, too many tutorials, too much confusion. If you're a complete beginner, this video will save you months of frustration. You decided to learn coding. You felt motivated. Then you searched, what programming language should I learn? And suddenly you saw Python, JavaScript, C++, Java, SQL, machine learning, and your brain froze. Let me simplify everything. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to learn first. Before choosing a language, understand this. Coding is simply giving instructions to a computer. Every programming language uses the same core ideas: variables, loops, conditions, functions. If you understand these four things, you can learn any language later. Most beginners skip this. Don't. Here's where people mess up. They try to learn everything at once. Don't. Pick one. If you want simple and beginner-friendly, gives learn Python. If you want to build websites, gives learn HTML and CSS first. If you want interactive websites, gives learn JavaScript. One language, 90 days, no distractions. That's how you win. Now let me tell you the biggest mistake that makes 80% of beginners quit. And it's not what you think. The biggest mistake: watching tutorials for months. Coding is not Netflix. You don't learn by watching. You learn by building. Start small. A calculator, a to-do list, a simple website, a guessing game. It will feel hard. That's good. Struggle is where learning happens. Once you understand basics, learn how the internet works. Front end, what users see. Back end, what happens behind the scenes. Database, where data is stored. You don't need deep knowledge, just enough to connect the dots. When you see the big picture, coding stops feeling random. Month 1, learn fundamentals. Practice daily. Month 2, build 2-3 small projects. Month 3, build one bigger project. Publish it online. That's it. No fancy courses. No secret hacks. Consistency beats intensity. 3 months from now, one version of you will still be saying, I want to learn coding. The other version will say, I built this. The difference? Action. Start simple. Stay focused. Build small. And keep going. If this helped you, subscribe and comment starting. Let's build your future.